Montessori session, how teachers are explaining to their students or not to students, is a kids, how they are explaining the concept. When, okay, so we are new for, as a parents, we are new for the Montessori. So it's a new concept. We studied in our in our schooling and all is just normal, it's just A, B, C, D, is up to UKG we can study that. Montessori concept is new for us. So he is my son, Siddiq. He is studying Montessori 3. He is a class teacher, Gayatri madam. So today we came for this is a numeracy. We can say is some addition or subtraction. In our education we have studied direct number minus only. For example, 4 digits are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus some 84 or whatever digits. This direct number numerical values will decrease or will increase. So we use this kind of fingers or else in our mind only we have to do this. But now the education is advanced, is go very fast. Even we have to study before these concepts to understand. We can help to our kids. So this concept is entirely different. We can see this cube. We can assume it's 1,000. As we know today, this is 1,000. One cube is 1,000. So here we kept as 2 cubes is 2,000. And this is 1 square is 100. We learned today. So in this new concepts, they are easily to subtract the values and they can identify up to 4-digit values we got it. Okay. So just they explain this bits is one single bunch of bits is there. Tens. So and this concept also is very good. So earlier I feel some difficulties to assume how this will be the 1,000 in the cube because it's just the 6 sides are there. It will come to 600. So then he explained. So this is the exact cut pieces of this one. So how inside these dimensions are there and how many bits are. So here if we calculate it's coming to 1,000. So these kind of explanations and skeleton view is easy to kids to understand and they can go for further class grades and grade 1, grade 2. It will be easy to understand the concept and they can move forward. So it's very helpful to know. And my suggestion, these things we attend this session at most the end of the Montessori. So if you explain these sessions during admission of the parents, they will be very happy to admit their kids here. So better you can arrange one session during the admission stage. You can publish some notice. Some weekends and Saturdays we are conducting how Montessori classes are going on. So for new parents in Montessori 1 we are admitting their child, it is easy to understand. So they also will be happy and they know the differentiate between this Montessori and other curriculums. So you please arrange like those kind of sessions. It will be very helpful for schools. Thank you.